Hello, beautiful eyeshadow lovers and panning fanatics. How are you today? I am so excited to be here with you today. My name is Kaylee Wesley, and I am starting another project pan. And I am so excited. If you like this type of content, please give me a thumbs up down below. Subscribe. Don't worry about my swatch. Just don't worry about it. This project was created by Emily here on YouTube from Emily and Max. I went ahead and watched all 20 videos that were on the playlist yesterday. I will leave the playlist down below. I know there are plenty of people doing this, i.e. Christina Chang, Elizabeth Christensen, Rebecca Morgan. This is all at the top of my head. It's just Steph, Emily, and Max. That was an easy one. Like I said, I watched all 20 videos and I have subscribed to, I think, at least 5 new people, and I'm sure you would too if you watched all of the videos on the playlist. It's great stuff, okay? I love this concept. Emily, you did a wonderful job. I know that the spooky number is 6. That's the number I went with. I'm so proud of myself. The resurrection product that I have, the only one, is this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. It's good, just called bronzer. I hit pan in it back in, I think, March, February maybe? I don't know. But I took it out of it because I didn't want to finish it up until around the summertime, and this project gives me enough time to finish it. I'm so excited for that. And now I'm going to be going through all of my collecting cobweb items. Now, first, I want to talk about this. I've had this almost a year, and if you can see, I'll make a line, but it's like halfway done. Okay, I've had this at least a year. So if I'm doing updates bi-monthly, I want to use this at least 6 times. And by 6 times, I mean once on my hands, once on my toenails. That means 2 times. You know what I'm saying? I literally did not put the top coat on yet because I knew I was going to do my nails after this video because I can count it. Sorry, I'm cheating, but not really cheating. The next product that I want to talk about is actually a perfume. Okay, this is by Ed Hardy. It is called Villain. I've had this since before I was married 3 years ago, so it's very old. I have yet to finish it. I don't want to make a mark because this bottle is beautiful. Well, maybe I don't know, dang it. I might just take, listen to me. I'm most likely just going to take a picture and call it a day there. I want to save the bottle afterwards because it's so beautiful. I've literally kept it all intact these years because it's so gorgeous. I love the mermaid on the outside. If you get a chance to smell this, it makes me feel like, excuse my language, and if you have kids around you, pause the video or skip it a little bit, but it makes me feel like a sexy badass, you know those perfumes that just make you feel like I'm that person, and that's what it makes me feel like. But I don't often need to feel that way anymore, so I want to use this up. That is my goal. I plan on keeping the packaging. It's so beautiful, I don't even care. That is my goal. Do I want to use this within the next month? I'm probably not going to be able to, but within the next 2 months, yeah, that's my goal. So I'm hoping to be done with it by the next update. The next product I got in a BoxyCharm box. This is the DLS eyeshadow cream. Eyeshadow crayon in the shade Illusion. Now, I don't have very much of this. It's so sad, and I think I've had it over a year, but it's still so creamy and pretty. Excuse the old swatches, but So pretty, and I love it. I hope on using this at least 10 times this month, or within the next 2 months at least 20. I think that will get me pretty far down. I'm like, no, I shouldn't make a mark because it'll be gone by then, and then some part of me is like, it's not gonna be gone by 20 times, guys. It's not gonna be gone. I use this as a eyeshadow and blush. That's what I did today. But this is a lipstick. I definitely don't use that as a lipstick. But I think that's what gets it done faster for me, is to just, you know, eyeshadow and blush. I'm hoping to be done with that by the next update. And let's move on with it. My last two products are kind of funny to me because this one I got at a child's birthday party, and I have about 5 of them, and I've already gotten through one, and that was back in December. So I'm going to try to be done with this. Oh, it's dirty. Oh, it's barely not used. Oh, but I am going to try like heck to be moisturizing my lips. This is the, do you even care? It's just a little kit. It's probably something that they got at the dollar store, but I have like 6 of them. I need to use them. And then my last product is by the company Collab, Laga. This is their Cloud Lips in the shade Storm, or is that a Q? Laga? I don't know. I think we also got this either in a BoxyCharm or Ipsy, but I've had it in my collection for months. 4 months, and it's so stinking pretty. It's like it's more of a red than a berry, but it's beautiful, and I hope to use this product at least 10 times. Oh, and if I didn't mention it, I hope to use up the, I keep forgetting that these updates are bi-monthly, so I'm going to go backwards here and say I want to use this 20 times, this completely up, this completely up 20 times, either way, this until it's done, maybe every day, this 6 times, we already talked about it, and then this, I want to use this maybe every day. I don't have another bronzer in any of my other projects, so I feel like that would be easy. Okay guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please go and check out all the ladies' other channels because they're so good. I feel like I connect with people over project panning only because I like to hear other people's opinions and their thoughts on things and how they incorporate everything into their routine, and I'm like, I could get behind that. So please go ahead and subscribe and comment down below. Do you have a project going on? Do you have a project pan? Do you have a pan that palette? Do you do empties videos? I love Shop My Stashes videos. They started getting me jealous of people, so I might lay off them a little bit, but I love them still. And I hope you guys just have a wonderful day. I appreciate all of you for being here, all of you that comment and subscribe and like the video. Why do I keep saying? I digress. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and please subscribe down below. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this type of content, and I hope to see you guys again next time. I'll see you later. Bye.